Projekt został wykonany w technologii FiDU, którą od 20 lat rozwijamy w naszym studio. Technologia polega na deformacji płaskich elementów do trójwymiarowych, stabilnych elementów konstrukcyjnych. To jest manifest technologiczny, który będziemy w przyszłości używać może w zdobywaniu kosmosu.
The Whispers pavilion is probably one part of construction in the space. You can send a small piece of elements and develop there in the space.
There are no things that Poles can't do, even inflate metal by hand. Whispers is more than a sculptural form. It is a symbol of Poland's transformation over the past 15 years. Dynamic, confident and forward-looking. It also honors the Polish diaspora, whose voice is now an integral part of the UK's cultural landscape, heard, seen and valued.
I'm also very happy to be here this morning to help kick off the London Festival of Architecture, to celebrate the launch of this remarkable sort of work of art and science by Oskar.
Having visited Oskar's studio in Poland, I was so impressed with the technology, the science, the artistry of him and his team. I was determined that we bring his work into the City of London.
For us, this installation really showcases the core point of the festival, which is bringing cultural activity to everyday spaces.
It's so wonderful to see Londoners straight away being very excited about new installation, asking what it is.